Before I came back to Ghana after studying in the UK, I was in the University of Leicester, where I did my MBA in marketing. I had that intent that when I come back home, I was going to do something different. When I came back and I realized that in Ghana, we could not do anything as simple as toothpick. So I took it upon myself to start something. So in the year 2013, I decided to try out my ideas that have been harboring all this while. I imported machinery from China. I had those machinery that I brought down purely for toothpick production. And I've had lots of challenges, especially somebody coming from the banking industry with zero experience within the bamboo industry. There was a lot for me to contend with. I knew next to nothing about bamboo, apart from things I have read in books that Ghana abounds with bamboo. I had no knowledge of machinery. I had no knowledge, even to the extent that I didn't even know bamboo had to be treated. Besides that, I also had problems of quality of my products. It could not match what had been brought in from foreign markets. But over the years, we have been able to go through the learning curve. We can operate our machines now. We can service our machines now. We can maintain our machines now. And also, we now treat our bamboo, we dry them better, so they don't become moldy when we send them out there. Currently, Pamplo Ghana is made up of a team of 11, 3 female and 8 gentlemen. We work together as a team. We have a number of products that we manufacture locally. Amongst others, we can make mention of kebab sticks, skewers, dowel rods. We can make mention of lollipop sticks. And we can also make mention of crafted bamboo containers that are all currently being manufactured by Pamplo Ghana Limited. Pamplo Ghana has benefited immensely from the Inter-Africa Bamboo and Development Program, as well as the SSTC program. These 2 programs have been immensely beneficial to Pamplo Ghana. We've had opportunity to engage in a lot of knowledge sharing symposiums with participants from all over the sub-region within Africa. We've also had the opportunity to have exposure to countries like Kenya, to countries like Ethiopia and others, to get to know what entrepreneurs like myself are doing and get to share ideas with them and also learn from them. Our participation in all of these programs has reshaped our thinking. It has reshaped our strategy. It has reshaped our approach. We actually have a different perspective of the business. I'm really excited about what we're doing in Pamplo Ghana because we're improving livelihoods, providing sustainable jobs for many people along the value chain and protecting the environment. At Pamplo Ghana, we believe in the transformative potential of bamboo, and we are leveraging the power to change lives in our communities.